Your main detour for crossing the river will be the 3rd Avenue Bridge.
What did you just do?
He's got the hiccups.
No, he did not.
In the middle of our debut here on Care 11 Plus.
This is
Lord.
my dream.
Do you want me to continue
No.
for you?
No, I
No.
got this. Access under the Portland Avenue portion of the bridge will also be closed to keep people safe while crews do their work. The downtown side closures will last until next
my
fall. I'm done.
No, this is
Hold your breath.
everything. This is everything.
Hold your breath.
I am so
Drink
happy
water.
this is not happening to me.
There you go, buddy. Spoonful of sugar.
Do you want me to tell you how to get rid of them? Run as fast as you can until you literally drop. That's the only way I can get rid of them.
Okay. Don't
Okay,
take
that's
advice from
no,
John
not
Ziegler.
doing that. I'm afraid to speak. I think I'm
You good?
I think
That was
so.
quick.
This time of morning you get
I get
hiccups.
killer hiccups.
Yeah.
Like I've had them for like 6-7 hours straight. Oh. And I'm telling you, the only possible way to get rid of them when you have hiccups for 6 hours is to run killer sprints until you literally can't.
Good way to lose some calories, too.
Yeah.
It will stop. Are you okay?
I've been told you put a knife or a fork in a glass of water, and you drink that water while you're staring like directly at the fork, and you take 3 sips of water, and it'll get rid of your hiccups.
Oh, where?
I swear, and it works too. Like you stare directly, like you put your focus on that knife or that fork in the
Don't
water
put
and drink it.
Knives and water glasses. We don't condone.
I'm not saying don't try it. I'm not saying you should try it. I'm just saying that works for me.
I always hold my breath for like
Jeez.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that never
I
works
thought
for
you
me.
burped.
Go.
No.
That was.
All right, I'll read this next story because it's your line.